how does a stop become a stop? How do I show it clearly? For highly sensitive people with their often pronounced need for harmony, often not an easy thing. But there's a way. You can discover and learn a lot from this simple movement. Let's build it up slowly. First of all, point in different directions. It's better to use 2 fingers than 1. Make the movement in such a way that it is clear where you are pointing to. Make the movement slow and relaxed, but clear. The next thing is to arrive. Try not only to point in one direction, but to arrive somehow. So, as if you were touching it, pressing on it. Do you notice that your fingers don't fully stretch because of the counter pressure when you arrive? And that you arrive at yourself in return? Try it out again and again. The movement arrives when I arrive in myself. Then the movement stops. You can feel it in your heart, in your chest, in your whole body. And then the next thing is that you really end up where you arrived. Swing your arms out a bit into your light and then come down together with a small step. What do you have to do to make your hands land in front of your body, like your feet on the floor? And that you feel the pressure of your hands on the tabletop as much as the pressure of your feet on the floor. Do you notice that you are doing something in your body for this? Arrive, land. Arrive, land, push, as if on a table. I don't have to stop my arms. I land. And then do the stop movement from the heart. Arrive at the other, at the same time at yourself. And take your time to land properly and feel that there is warmth behind the surface you touch. And then feel into the warmth within you and within the other. Within you, feel the need behind your no. At the same time, meet the warmth of the other with respect. Do the movement to practice within an imagined environment, with imagined people. Make sure that pointing out with the stop gesture leads to a noticeable arriving at yourself. To you is also a to me. Then you become noticeable to the other person, and he can understand your stop. Yes, to know. Not easy for highly sensitive people, but if it works, then it's great.